Hey everyone. In this demo, I want to show you how easy it is to use Bracket to set up an internal tool for your non-technical teammates. Say you've got customer data here in Postgres, and you want your customer success team to be able to update what plan each customer is in, whether they're live with the product, and what date they were onboarded. Using Bracket, we're going to spin up an Airtable from scratch that mirrors this Postgres and get the two syncing with each other in real time. So to do that, all I need to do is fill out this quick onboarding form, connect my Postgres. If I need to connect through SSL or SSH tunnels, I can do that too. If I want to just sync the result of a SQL query, I can do that. But in this case, I'm going to sync the entire table. Get this data preview to make sure it's the right data, and we select our primary key. Cool. Now we select Airtable as our secondary source. I'm going to grab my base here. I want Bracket to generate the table from scratch for me. I could use this random name, or I can call this my user plans. Here I'm going to say that I want a two-way sync, and I can also remove any fields that I don't want to sync here. We're going to name this my user plans sync. And that's it. So I think that was maybe less than a minute. Now let's just test that and see if we set that up correctly. Cool. So we didn't write any data yet, but it looks like the connection is working. And if we check our Airtable, it looks like my user plans was successfully created, but right now it's empty. So let's run this once. Awesome. So it looks like 5 records were written. And here we got it in Airtable. So let's say we want to customize this a bit. We can do that. I'm going to change priority to a rating field, plan to a single select. Description to currency. Now your customer success team can update these statuses. Let's say BirdieBots and Cyberdyne have gone live, and we can add in some start dates as well. Let's make sure those are syncing to Postgres. I'm going to run this once, and it looks like it wrote data back to Postgres. If we refresh this, great. Now we've got those start dates in there. And of course, if edits are being made directly to this Postgres table, let's say the subscription is updating to 5,000 and 35 Acme Corp. And it looks like that was updated here in Airtable. Cool. Now what happens if my customer success team wants to delete some data? We're going to get rid of these 2 records here. On the Bracket app, you get to decide whether deletes are synced automatically or if you manually review each deletes, or if you just have no deletes syncing at all. Right now, we have manual review of deletes. So if we go to this tab, we're going to refresh, and here we've got these 2 deletes to review. So I'm going to hop in here, and let's say these deletes were accidental. I'm going to take both of these and say leave in Postgres. That's just one way that we let you keep your data safe using Bracket. Cool, this is all looking good. So now I'm going to set the sync to active, and it's going to sync in real time. You can do this with any of the integrations that Bracket currently has. Set up internal tools for your non-technical teammates in really less than a minute or 2. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you find this useful.